Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform a virus scan on any Itel phone. Let's begin. So first you want to go to the settings. In here you want to scroll down until you'll see password and security. We click it and then right under security status we click Google Play Protect. As you can see, it should automatically scan applications. My applications were lastly scanned, well, about 5 hours ago, but we can do that manually by pressing the scan button. And after a while, we see that no harmful apps were found. Obviously, if the Play Protect would find something harmful, it would tell you and it should basically advise you what to do next. But luckily for me, I don't have anything to worry about. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.